to show you how easy it is to make a pumpkin dump cake. And you can use, I use my box cake. And I'm using a white cake because that's all I got. You can use white or yellow. Really doesn't matter. But to begin with, let me get my scoop and my whisk. Okay, to begin with, we're going to use one, what is this, 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree. Not pumpkin filling, pumpkin puree. Make sure it's 100% pure pumpkin. Okay, we got that. And then we are going to crack 3 eggs. And I got these jumbo eggs. I'm waiting to see if any of them are double yolkers. I got these jumbo eggs from the store the other day, and I think all but maybe, there's a double yolker. I think all but maybe 2 or 3 of them are double yolkers. Okay. That side. And then we're going to use 1 cup of milk. Now you can use evaporated milk, but I use milk because it's just a lighter version. We're going to put in 1 whole cup of light brown sugar. And we're also going to do, where did my spoons go? I used them. We're going to do about 3 teaspoons, that's a teaspoon, we're going to do about 3 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. There's 1, 2, 3. And then we're just going to get this all mixed up. You know what? I think I'm going to do this with my mixer. I think it'll work better. This is going to go with our cabbage roll dinner this evening. Okay, that's mixed up really good. I can't wait to try this tonight. I'm going to serve this with a little bit of ice cream and some caramel sauce. This is going to be wonderful. Okay, let me set that there. We've got a cake pan that has been greased, and we're just going to dump this all in the bottom of a 9 by 13 inch pan. There we go. Okay. And then to that, we are going to add, we're going to add this cake mix. We're going to sprinkle it right on top. Okay? Just sprinkle it right around on top. These are really easy to make and they're wonderful. Okay, and then on top of that, I'm going to use graham crackers. Now you can use both graham crackers and pecans, or you can use just graham crackers. And you want about a cup, and you don't want them all crumbled, but you want them, you know, a little bit smaller in chunks. And I don't put pecans on mine because my grandbabies, they don't like pecans. So I'm just putting graham crackers on for them. I'm just going to sprinkle them all over the top. Gives it a little crunch. Okay. This should be good. All right, and with that, on top of that, we're going to drizzle two sticks of butter, I'm sorry. 2 sticks of butter all over the top of this. You're not going to mix it, you're not going to do anything, you're just going to do just like this. Just drizzle it on the top and let it go. There we have it. Now this is going to go in the oven, 350 degrees, for about 25 to 30 minutes, just like a regular cake.